Hey everyone, this is Torigol Samsani. Welcome back to my new video. Is Torigol's English Hard. So right now I'm here at different place. As you can see, my behind side it's a Grecian building, a building which has made by someone, but no one can stay here. No one can live here because of this. The building has going to be smashed day by day because it's as you can see, no one can take care of this building, so no one can take care of this building, no one can take care of this place, right? So for this reason it's going to be a breakup. And now and as you can see, actually there are a bunch of Spanish, right, are available. Different types of trees are available, and also you were watching that this is a flower. This is a flower, and the flower color is good, totally amazing, but I don't know what is the name of this flower. If you know, you can let me know in the below comments. Okay, so that's the thing actually. And right now above all, the circumstances, the natural beauty are too much amazing. The places are really interesting and as well as gruesome, right? So no one can come here to practice or wander this place, but so today I've come here to make my video for my audience, for you, so that I can give you one natural thing, and one so that I can give you so that I can introduce one new place, so that you can watch my video and you can get some information from here, actually what is going on here and what is the situation of this place. So for this reason actually I've come here, and as you can see there are so many mango trees are available, right? And you know that a few days ago, a couple of months ago, I have come here to eat mango, but I didn't get such kind of mango, a bunch of mango to eat. But after a few days, when I have come here, I got mangoes to eat, and I ate those mangoes. But right now it's totally empty, and there are no any mangoes I hear, but there are so many mango trees are available, right? So for this reason actually the circumstances are too much amazing. And guys, as you can see, actually the situation of building is going to be smashed. It's going to smash day by day, right? And so no one can take care of this building, and it's a look like, oh my god, dangerous. The place is dangerous, I can say. If you joke here, you can come here to visit this such kind of place. And as you can see, there are piece of bake that piece of bake this piece of bake has been destroyed by someone, or I not actually I not that I don't know what is the situation, what is the problem behind it, but I think the circumstances actually, what can I say, actually after coming here I'm feeling too much amazing to watch or making video. And I think you are watching my video so too much so feeling that, and I think if you will watch my video, you will be able to remove your hesitation to wander such kind of place, because right now no one can here with me. I'm come here alone to describe this building, to come here to wander this building, and you know that I'm passionate about learning. So for this reason I've come here. And also, as you can see, there are window, right? But there are window, but is inside or between the window there not any kinds of thing available, so that they can take care of this building. So for actually that's the thing. Actually if I right now, as you can see, oh my god, oh, this is the actually I can see gruesome building, and it's a dangerous. I don't know what is going on here, because do you know devil, I think devil are living in this site, I can say, right? So I don't want to make it longer. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay with me until the video, and I think you will be learn so many things. You will get so many information from my videos, and you know that I'm passionate about learning English. Every day I'm trying to make so many videos for my audience, for my speaking, for getting my fluency, right? So that's the thing. Actually, I don't want to make it longer. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Oh my god, actually another day or another time. See you in this space, and I will come here again to make this video. So stay happy, stay well. Assalamu alaikum. Take care of yourself. Keeping learn.